my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious condensed cinnamon sugar, perfect for these cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious condensed cookie with cinnamon, these are my ingredients. 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, half a tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 can of condensed milk. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious and amazing condensed milk cookie. So let's get started. Let's prepare the melted butter. I have the 2 sticks of melted butter here. I am going to add the condensed milk and look at the texture. We are going to mix until the condensed milk is completely integrated into the butter. Keep mixing until you notice that everything is completely combined, and then a splash of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, whatever you have at home. Mix it very well. Once it's mixed, we're going to start sifting the all-purpose flour. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then we're going to add 2 more cups. But first, we're going to incorporate these 2 cups slowly, and you'll notice that it's going to really absorb all the liquid. I'm going to add 1 more cup. Continue mixing. In total, I am using 4 cups of all-purpose flour. It's still going to be nice and sticky. We're going to add it to our counter. Add another cup of all-purpose flour. Add the mixture until it doesn't stick to your hands or your fingers. This is going to be the workout of this morning. Look at this. I'm just going to mix, continue mixing until I create a ball of dough. In total, I use 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Continue mixing, and you're going to notice how it's going to start creating a resistant, nice and soft, but yet it's not going to be sticky to your hands. And continue mixing. Once you create a ball, you are ready to make the little balls for your amazing and delicious condensed cookies. Look at this. It doesn't even stick on the bottom of the counter. So just mix very well. Make your little balls, making sure that they are almost the same size. And of course, you're going to get about 40 little cookies. It all depends how large you make them. I got 2 trays of this one. So now I'm going to mix the cinnamon and the sugar. It's 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix very well. Once everything is incorporated, we're going to start by giving the indentation on the cookies with a fork. They're going to come out so beautiful. They look amazing with those little stripes of the fork. I'm holding it down so I don't pick it up. Look how easy it is to make this design and to enjoy a delicious homemade cookie at home, especially when the temperatures are getting nice and cold. The mornings are cold. Why not enjoy a cookie with a delicious hot cocoa or an amazing homemade coffee? And now I'm going to drizzle the cinnamon and sugar on the top. I have preheated my oven to 375 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for only 15 minutes. They're going to be crispy from the bottom, crispy from the top, but yet fluffy and delicious from the center. The combination of the condensed milk and cinnamon, just perfection made at home. Look how amazing they look. Remember, always preheat your oven before you put your tray inside the oven. After the 15 minutes, let's see how they came out. Look at this. Look at the inside. They're still nice and warm. Always keep them on the tray for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you're ready to enjoy. They come out delicious, not too sugary, just perfect to enjoy even with a tea. I'll see you in a bit. If you liked and loved this recipe, like, subscribe, and share, and enjoy this amazing condensed milk cookie with cinnamon right on the top. I'll see you in just a little bit. Beautiful family, I am completely done with these amazing and delicious cinnamon cookies made with condensed milk. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. The cookie is crispy from the outside, but from the inside is nice and gooey. Excuse me. Perfect to enjoy it with a coffee or a hot cocoa. If you liked and love this amazing cookie, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying with my beautiful family these amazing and crispy cookies. See you soon. Bye-bye.